everyone, Delightful Dolls here. Quickly before we get started, the weekly shout out goes to Maylee K. Thank you so much for commenting. And remember, if you'd like a shout out, all you have to do is comment something nice in my videos. Also, I want to mention that I do have a poll going on. You just have to click the I in the top right corner where you guys get to decide what you want me to do for my next video. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a squishy makeover. I'm going to be transforming this football squishy into a whole new squishy. So stay tuned to find out what squishy that will be. So I started off by taking a dark brown Sharpie. It was very close and similar to the color of the actual football, just so in case I made any mistakes, it wasn't noticeable. And then I just drew a line all the way around it, around near the top part of the football, by the point, if that makes any sense. And once I did that, then I took my scissors, and the sharper the scissors, the better. And then I just started to cut on that line that I just drew. Once that was all cut, I just took my scissors and rounded out the edges a little bit more. Then I just started making some jagged-like cuts on the leftover piece that we just cut off. As you can see, I'm doing here. Trying to make them look as neat as I can. And if you guys haven't been able to tell already, I am going to be making a strawberry. As you can see, the top part is going to be the leaves of the strawberry. So I start off by putting some white puffy paint into a bowl, except before that, the instructions told me to shake well, so that is what I did. Then I put the white puffy paint into a little bowl. And then added some red acrylic paint. If you guys don't know already, I just buy white puffy paint and then add acrylic paint to the puffy paint because it saves a lot of money, and I've never had any problems with this before. Then I just started by applying the first coat of pink to my strawberry. This coat is definitely going to be more see-through than all the other ones. Also, if you didn't already notice, my strawberry is a pink strawberry, which isn't very realistic, but I personally like the pink and pastel colors better. Then I just left that to dry and began making the green paint for the leaves. And painted the leaf part of the strawberry. After the first layer was dry, as you can see, some of the squishy stuck to the paper because I accidentally got paint on the bottom. But after that was dry, I just began to put some puffy paint onto the bottom of the strawberry, but I guess in this case it would be the top. The top doesn't matter as much because the leaves will mainly be covering that up. And then I did the same with the leaves. I just put a layer onto the bottom. Then I just gave everything a second coat. And once that was all dry, as you can see, the squishy had a really nice squish to it. And then I just added some puffy paint to the leaves of the strawberry and just pressed that on top. Then I took some hair elastics and just put that over the leaves and then at the bottom of the strawberry to hold that in place while it was drying. Once it was all dry, I took off the elastics and made sure that it was all secure. Next, I just took a little pin and started making some holes everywhere in the strawberry just to let it be able to air out so it has a less chance of cracking. And as you can see, I made a lot of holes everywhere. You probably don't even need to make as many as I did. And then I did change my mind and decided I wanted to add some little white seeds to make it look a little bit more realistic, I guess. I'm really happy how this squishy turned out in the end, and I'm happy I put those seeds on. I wasn't sure, I couldn't decide, but in the end, I'm really happy how everything turned out, and it is a really nice squishy. I'm really happy because this is my first squishy makeover, and let me know what you guys think about this new squishy strawberry. Did you like it better as a football or as a strawberry? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!